What's up, guys? So I'm about to go take some photos on a lunch break. I'm gonna put some lips on, and I got my sunnies because I ain't got no makeup on today. Today was like literally a no makeup jewelry type of day. So I got my rings, my necklaces. I even got my butterfly bracelet on. But I'm gonna take you guys with me for the photo taking journey. So let's go. So I've decided to come right over here and take some photos because the sun is literally perfect. The clouds, the wind, everything is just stunning. So I'm gonna take some photos right over here. Ooh, we got some cute ones, guys. Look at this. Oh my gosh, who's this supermodel? I am hot, okay? I'm mad that the wind ruined a lot of these photos. I'm gonna go through my favorites and then we'll look at the results. Back to my car. I'm in my mom's car. Alright guys, so I'm off back to work. Hey guys, so I'm currently uploading my video. It is my thrift with me. I don't know if you guys know, but if you're seeing this video, you already know I changed my tag name. I changed my social platform name all across the board because I needed something that fit the Schiana that exists today. And I needed something a little bit more universal. Life with She is literally your look into my life. Not only just makeup, not only just fashion, and not only just content creating. It's literally all of it across the board, as well as my social media, because I post all different types of content, and I tried so many ways to make it work. Schianaxbeauty is like, it's just seems like it's just beauty and it's just makeup, and I don't want to make it seem like it's like that because I solely and truly enjoy creating all different types of content, whether it be food, whether it be fashion, whether it be my makeup, like all of it. And I feel like Life with She was perfect. So I'm excited to have this new name and this new venture with this new name. There's a lot of things that I still have to go in and adjust and create and make for this new name, as well as reaching out to a lot of the brands that I've already worked with to let them know that my name has changed, because most of them don't know. So I've been starting that process of letting them know. My email and stuff will be the same, because who has the time to create a whole nother email? That's like a whole entity in itself. I'm not about to do that. That's just too complicated and too complex for me. So I'm going to keep it simple, keep the same email, because that's what works. Everybody has the perfect way to get in contact with me through that email. My goal is to grow my channel with everything that I create now. So I'm really excited for this new chapter in my social media career, I guess, if that's what you want to call it. So I just got off from work. I am currently uploading my video, trying to get it done so that way before I go to my plans, which I'm about to tell you about, I wanted to make sure this was done and prepared for me to have my posts and stuff for tonight. this will probably be up around like 7:30-ish, 8. I don't know yet. It just really depends. But once my video is finished uploading, I intend to get ready. I have plans tonight. So a friend of mine, today is her birthday, and she's having dinner at STK, which if you've been on my channel for a while, you know that I went there back in October with my girlfriend for Halloween. So it's a really nice club lounge restaurant scenery, but I'm super excited to go. So you guys will get to see my get ready process, as well as I will also be vlogging while I'm there, so you guys will get to see everything and have a good time with me. So without further ado, I'm gonna finish this video and then I'll be getting ready. So we've got literally 5% more left and this video will be uploaded, so make sure to check out this video. All right guys, so this is outfit option number 1. I definitely think this is super cute, but I may save this for my own date night. Today's her birthday, so I'm not trying to do too much, and I feel like this dress is definitely doing too much. Even though I like what it's doing, it's just not for me today. I would have loved to have worn this dress. I think I still can. It's just, y'all, it's a little big. It's truly a little big, but at the same time, it's like, do I want a little room? Do I want it to be actually tight fitted to where I can't eat? I don't know. This dress is definitely on the option list. I have no tatas for it anymore. Okay, so I definitely really like this outfit. These pants, my friend Ariana thrifted for me. These pants are literally gorgeous. Let's get into these details. Like, do y'all see the paisleys? Y'all know I'm obsessed with patterns. These are vintage BB bell bottoms, and they have literally a pleat design in them. I don't know if you can see it. This is the pleating on the pants. Super cute. I'm freaking in love. I don't know for sure if I want to wear it with this top. I do have a black top that I'm gonna try and see if it looks a little bit better with. All right guys, so I found the winning outfit. I'm just going to wear this really cute crop top with my pants. I think I'm gonna do a black purse though. I don't know if I want to do this blazer because of the shoulder pads or my other blazer, but I feel like this blazer goes really well, and it's just something to throw on because I'm probably not gonna wear the blazer inside because my pants are really the statement, which is what I wanted. So now it's time to move on to the makeup. I'm essentially just doing a really quick face, focusing more on having a good base more than eyeshadow, so that's my main concern. So I'm gonna let this concealer sit a little minute, and then I'll blend this out. Damn, I'm almost out. I kind of need to get some more. The trick to a quick, easy face is to do the exact same thing to your eyes as you did to your face. So always do your face first, and then once you add your color to your face, you can just add a little bit of color that you used on your face to your eyes. That's what I did for my Galentine's makeup look. I essentially just used my blush and my bronzer as eyeshadow and popped some lashes on, and I'm literally about to do the exact same trick today because I'm running short on time, even though I left work early. I just had other priorities, so shit happens, you know? Now I'm gonna go in with base. I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Glow foundation. I love this stuff because it's like a medium coverage and a little goes a long way. I do not have to use much of this stuff. The only thing I don't like about it is that it has a weird smell, and it's almost time to actually re-up on foundation anyway, so I'm thinking about going back to my Beauty Bakery foundation. I love that foundation. The only thing about it is it's a very soft matte, so I may wait until it gets a little warmer to try that one out. Like I said, I've been loving less coverage, more skin like looks, because I like to let my skin show through because my skin has been extremely healthy and I don't want to clog my pores up with more foundation, you know. Now that my face is done, I'm literally like, another trick when you're getting ready for going out or you already have plans, put the location that you're going to in your maps while you get ready. Like, that's the biggest tip I could give to somebody with being on time, because you're literally monitoring what time you'll get there. Like, and 9 times out of 10 you're gonna show up on time, or at least close enough to the time that you intended to show up to, because that's been my motto and my trick to getting ready literally ever since I've been grown, honestly. Because I'm not that girl that likes to show up late, but I'm also not that girl that likes to show up directly on time either, so yeah. Ooh, this is looking so good. All right, now I'm gonna add my concealer. I'm gonna mix what I use underneath my eye, well, on my eyes, and a little bit of my brightening shade. This one's 35N and the other one is 4W. All right, and once I put this on, I'm gonna set. Now I'm gonna use my La Mercier, my honey translucent powder, and I'm gonna bake. And then I like to take my leftover powder in my cap and just swirl it all over. Today for blush and bronzer, I'm using my Marc Jacobs Tantalize Glow palette. And I just pop a little bit of this blush here. It's a little pinkier than what I want, but I'm gonna bronze so it'll soften it up. Now for the face, like I said, taking your bronzer, and essentially I'm gonna contour my eyes. Soften it up. Alright, so then I'm gonna get there at 8:03. I need to be out of here by at least 8:10. So I'm going to pop a little bit of this shimmer shade. Or should we keep this matte? I think I'm gonna keep this look matte and just pop a little bit of the highlight on my cheekbone. Since the actual lip color that I intend to wear is not, it's in my car, it's like a peachy, it's a e.l.f. Hydra Shine. I'm just gonna use my Benefit one for now. And it's just a peachy hydrating lip balm. Y'all know I don't like nothing to be dry. We're still doing really good on time because when it comes to Schiana being on the road, honey, we gon' shave some of that time down. I ain't even finna cap, like. I definitely go over the speed limit. I seen this tweet one time. It was talking about the speed limits was made when we was riding horses, and oh God, literally, because I be thinking sometimes, who the hell wants to be driving 55 when you know you could be doing 70? You know you could be doing 70 in some of the places that you be driving in. Because it ain't even, it's not even technically areas where it be a lot of people and where they be trying to say, oh, you need to drive a certain speed limit. Nobody, I need to go a little faster. I do, I definitely do. So guys, here is the fit. I'm about to head out. So I finally made it down here. Literally about to go grub over here at good old STK, if you can even see the sign. The vibes are so cute. The birthday girl in her hot red dress. Ooh. I love it. Pose you. You're a model. What do you mean?
Oh my god, that makes me think of the sound it just pose.
Oh, the song. Oh, this is cute. So adorable. Say hi.
I would love to be famous.
Follow her. Cut the flash on.
You think? Yeah.
Yeah.
I always like flash pictures. Hey,
You can always leave it to Nashville to have reservations and still waiting.
yeah, this bullshit.
All these pretty girls. Yes. Birthday queen. Here's birthday girl. Can you see you? Yeah. Oh my god, this is really good. No, bro, we're about to get shots. They passing out shots at least. Jeez. Yes, girl. My mashed potatoes are so yummy. So dinner was a success. Say hi. No. My Ray babe. My new friend. Hi babe. So cute. So guys, tonight was a real success. I had a super good time. Happy birthday, Elise. I love you so much. I'm ready to get home though. The vibes are so pretty out here though. Look at everything. Guys, I've made it back home. This night was literally full of perfection, from the vibes, the scenery, the food, everything was great. I had a really great time. But yeah guys, that is it for this video. I want to thank you guys for tuning in and watching. If you aren't already, make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you.